You've likely experienced the frustration of shoveling snow on a winter morning, your driveway, sidewalk, or patio buried under fresh flakes, and the thought of a manual shovel is enough to make anyone hesitate. What if there's a way to remove snow quickly, safely, and with minimal effort, all without dealing with gas, cords, or excessive strain? Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we evaluate products that combine efficiency, design, and long-term reliability. Today, we're looking at the Snow Joe 24 volts cordless electric shovel kit, model 24 volts, SS13-XR. This compact, battery-powered shovel is designed for homeowners who want a practical, effective solution for winter snow removal on sidewalks, patios, steps, and driveways. If you value convenience, portability, and clean operation, this product is highly relevant. For your convenience, the purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Reason number 1. Cordless convenience. The Snow Joe 24 volts eliminates the need for cords or gasoline, offering the freedom to move across your driveway or patio without tripping hazards or noise concerns. The included 5Ah battery provides sufficient runtime to tackle medium-sized areas in a single charge. This cordless approach transforms snow removal into a straightforward, less physically demanding task, particularly for homeowners who prefer an eco-friendly, low-maintenance solution. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this feature is consistently praised for saving time and effort. Reason number 2. Powerful snow removal. Equipped with a 400-watt high-output motor and a 2-blade auger, the Snow Joe clears a 13-inch wide path, up to 6 inches deep, and can throw snow as far as 20 feet. This performance allows users to move significant amounts of snow quickly, minimizing the time spent on repetitive shoveling. Whether you face fresh snowfall or packed powder, the shovel's consistent power ensures efficient clearing with minimal fatigue. Reason number 3. Ergonomic and lightweight design. Weighing just 12.8 pounds, the Snow Joe is remarkably easy to maneuver. Its dual-handle design provides multiple gripping positions, reducing strain on the wrists, shoulders, and back. This thoughtful ergonomic construction makes it accessible for a wide range of users, including those who may struggle with traditional snow shovels, and ensures that repetitive use doesn't lead to discomfort or fatigue. Reason number 4. Fast battery performance and recharging. The 5Ah lithium-ion battery delivers substantial runtime, allowing you to clear up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, depending on conditions. Paired with the included rapid charger, recharging is efficient, reducing downtime, and ensuring the shovel is ready when winter storms arrive. This combination of performance and accessibility gives peace of mind that you'll be prepared for continuous snow events without interruption. Reason number 5. Compact storage. Unlike larger snowblowers, the Snow Joe 24 volts is compact and easily stored in garages, sheds, or even indoor closets. Its lightweight frame and ergonomic handles make it simple to carry and reposition, which is particularly valuable for homeowners with limited storage space or those who need to quickly move the unit between multiple areas. Reason number 6. Efficient, low-maintenance operation. Without the need for gas, oil, or complex mechanical upkeep, this electric shovel reduces the long-term maintenance requirements typical of traditional snow removal tools. Its brushless operation means fewer moving parts to fail, increasing reliability season after season. The design emphasizes simplicity, making it a practical investment for homeowners seeking dependable performance with minimal attention. Reason number 7. Ideal for small to medium areas. While larger snowblowers may be overkill for patios, sidewalks, and steps, the Snow Joe 24 volts is specifically optimized for these areas. The combination of compact size, cordless mobility, and powerful auger performance ensures that clearing moderate snowfall is straightforward and time-efficient. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this tool offers the right balance of convenience, efficiency, and portability for the typical residential setting. Final verdict. The Snow Joe 24 volts cordless electric shovel is an intelligent solution for homeowners looking to simplify winter snow removal. It may not replace a full-size snowblower for extensive driveways or commercial applications, but for sidewalks, patios, decks, and smaller driveways, it excels. Lightweight, cordless, and powerful enough to clear moderate snow efficiently, It combines thoughtful design with reliable performance. For anyone seeking to minimize effort, save time, and enjoy an eco-friendly, low-maintenance solution, this shovel is a confident choice.